Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how you can export a task in Asana easily. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you. So yeah, guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open the Asana application if you haven't already. After opening the program, you will be greeted by this main page here in the home page, as you can see on the left, where you can see all of your options you can choose. So as you can see guys, let's go and choose the project where we want to export our text. So go to the left side of the screen and find the project that you want to use. So let's say our project for today is tutorials. So guys, basically the thing that you want to do, and this is very easy, to export text is do the following. First, go in the upper left corner where you can see the name of your project. Here it is tutorials. Go ahead and click on the arrow pointing downwards next to the name of the project called project actions. So go ahead and click on that, and this will open up a new array of options where you can choose what you do with your project. So guys, the next thing we want to do is go down here and find the option which says export/print. So put your mouse on that and now choose the option that you need. Do you need it to sync your calendar or whatever? Yes, let's say that we want the CSV option to export our project. So go ahead and this will open up, bringing up the prompt which will enable you to save where you want to export your project to. So let's say we want to export it to downloads. Save this, and as you can see guys, now this will export our project and our test to our downloads folder. So guys, let's go ahead to our downloads folder, and as you can see here is our exported project that you can open up in Microsoft Excel. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. That's how you export a project or a task in Asana. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.